Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. If you're a regular viewer, you may recall that back in October last year I did an unboxing on this Bluey family road trip four-wheel drive vehicle that came with Chili, and I was really happy with this car. I liked the way it looked. It had a lot of nice detail on it. Was lacking in some areas, but for the most part it wasn't bad, and it actually had me curious to check out some other vehicles in this line. One of the biggest ones was the green garbage truck, which that's actually what we're going to be looking at today. I'll just bring it in here. And I've actually had this sitting under the workbench since Christmas of last year. I got it as a gift, but I figure now is the best time to take a look at it. So let's go ahead and get it out. Bringing up the box here, you can see how the set is presented. And personally, I think this is a really sharp looking little garbage truck. I quite like the look of it. But this would have been featured in the Bluey episode Bin Night. Basically, the garbage truck would come in the morning to collect the garbage bins. And you can see that we get the truck, we get two bins. I believe one of them is a recycling bin. We also get a bin man figure, and I believe that's possibly an exclusive Bluey figure to this set. I could be wrong in saying that, but shows a little bit here on how to work the truck. Going around to the back of the box, this shows the set in what I'm calling play mode. And interestingly, I see here that it says rubbish bins fit inside. This would be the back of the truck, so I'm quite curious to try that out. But there's some other stuff on here. If you want to read any of this, go ahead and pause the video. This set was purchased from Ross for $21.99, which really I don't think that's a bad price. And I don't know if I mentioned this in my last Bluey unboxing, but these sets are made by Moose Enterprise, and I've heard a lot of good things about Moose. I've actually been exposed to some other toys that they make, and yeah, so it's definitely nice to see that they're the ones basically in charge of making these Bluey sets. But I think with all that out of the way, we'll go ahead and get the set out of the box and take a closer look at it. Okay, I noticed some curious things when I was unpacking everything. Of course, we've got the garbage truck, the figures, and the bins, but in the box there was also a bag which contained some instructions and also a sticker sheet. And then there was also these additional side view mirrors, which those go onto the garbage truck. And I was really happy to see these parts included because that's something I felt was lacking on the four-wheel drive vehicle that I looked at previously. But in one of the bins, there was also a smaller plastic bag which contained these little cardboard cutouts. And I'm thinking these are possibly pieces you're supposed to put into the garbage bins to later dump into the truck. Bringing up the instructions, you can read these if you wish, but I noticed there's nothing in here talking about those cardboard pieces. And like I mentioned before, I'm assuming those are an additional extra that you can put in the garbage bins. And here is a better look at the sticker sheet that was included. And also those cardboard pieces for anyone that was curious. Looks like you get 8 of them. And before we go any further, I'm just going to go ahead and install these mirrors on the garbage truck. And it's probably a good idea to include a driver as well. Alright, driving the truck in now, and here it is. And like I said, this is a really sharp looking little garbage truck in my opinion. I actually had one similar to this in my childhood. I believe it was a Tonka, but sadly, I don't know whatever happened to it. But again, I'm really liking the look of this one, and it has a lot of nice detail on it for what it is. Keep in mind that the Bluey universe, the vehicles are kind of basic, so they're not like over detailed, but we do have some details such as the headlights here. These are just stickers, but then we got the grating for the grill. Like I mentioned earlier, I was really happy to see the side view mirrors included, and especially because they got the little foil on them, makes them somewhat reflective there. And you know, we've got other details like the door handles, the fenders. Along the back here, we've got, I don't know if these are supposed to be signs or what have you. Somebody can let me know down in the comments. We've got the 6 wheels on this truck, but only 2 of the axles actually turn. This middle one here is actually fixed in place. I'm not sure if that's really an issue. Possibility this might be a lift axle, so if it doesn't turn I don't see that as a problem. The back of the truck does open up, and I'm going to try here because it says about you can put the bins back in here. Just like that, I believe, and close it up. So yeah, that works pretty well. Good for storage, possibly keep everything together so you don't lose them. We've also got the lift mechanism here, which I'll go ahead and just real quick show how this works without a bin at the moment. But yep, feels pretty smooth, pretty positive. I'll get a bin on that in a second. But really, I'm not sure there's much else to show other than we do have some interior detail with the seats. And of course, you've also got detail on the front. There's like a steering wheel, dashboard cluster. That's pretty cool. We've even got speakers and air conditioning. So yeah, again, kind of basic, but that's how these Bluey vehicles are. The figures in this set are pretty much standard like the other Bluey figures. Of course, we got the bin man here. He's got articulation. You can raise his arms. You can put him in a sitting position or standing. Of course, I think the detail on these is very well done. I'm not sure what breed of dog the bin man is. Of course, I know Bluey is a blue heeler, and I noticed that she seems to be a little stiffer when it comes to the articulation. That would possibly loosen up in play. And, I'm kind of thinking I might actually have one of these Blueys already, because I think this is a laughing or silly Bluey. I'll have to check my collection to be sure. But, yeah, two nice little figures, great additions to this set. I almost forgot to show the rubbish bins. Yes, I'm using the Australian term, but they're pretty basic. They're just bins with opening lids. And if I'm correct in saying this, the red bin is the trash bin and the yellow bin is the recycling bin. But yeah, like I said, you can open the lids on them. You can put stuff inside. I'll just reach back here and grab some cardboard pieces real quick. Throw them in there and there you go. But actually, now that I think about it, those should probably be in the recycling bin. So let's go ahead and do that. And with the yellow bin full, let's go ahead and see this truck in action. Okay, so the bin just clips on to the side of the truck like this. Pull back on the handle on the side. And the contents of the bin... Okay, that was a bit of a mess. Take two. And the contents of the bin are dumped into the back of the truck. And other than that piece there, I think it actually worked that time. Here it is again for those of you that may have missed it. And again, contents of the bin are emptied into the truck. And once the bin is empty, the truck can drive on to its next destination. And if you want those pieces back, it's easy enough just to lift the back gate of the truck and dump them out. I brought back in the four-wheel drive vehicle that I looked at last time to put up next to the garbage truck here. And looking at these two, this is kind of what I was talking about with the four-wheel drive vehicle, is you see how the headlights on this are not picked out, whereas you at least have stickers here. And then same deal with like the mirrors. You can see how you got the reflective foil on the mirrors right here. Yeah, you don't have that on the four-wheel drive vehicle here or even the rear view mirror at the back. So, I'm definitely seeing cases where there seems to be more effort put into the garbage truck than this one. And that extra bit of detail is something I really like to see with these. I mentioned earlier that I thought I might have already had this Bluey figure, but it turns out that I don't. A couple years ago, I think, I got this family pack, which came with tired versions of Chili and Bandit, and what I believe are silly versions of Bingo and Bluey. And looking at Bingo here, her facial expression is pretty similar to the Bluey that came in this garbage truck set. But the Bluey that came in the family pack just has her tongue sticking out. And, I'm really happy that I didn't have this one because this is another little bit of variety I have in my Bluey collection. Well, with all things considered, I'll go ahead and give my final thoughts on this set. And personally, I like it. And really, I don't think there's anything about this set that I could fault. The garbage truck looks great. It has some great play features. We get some great figures and accessories included in the set. And again, there's just a lot of things about this to like. As mentioned earlier, this came from Ross. It was $22 basically. I think even at $25, that's still great value for what you get. but I'm not exactly sure on the availability of the set these days. It seems to have disappeared from the stores in my area, possibly to make way for new stock. But I have seen it online for anywhere from between $40 to $50, which, while that's not a price I would pay, you possibly could find it on special depending on where you shop. But I think really this is definitely a set that I could recommend if you're a Bluey fan or you're into collecting this particular toy line. I myself, after looking at this set, I'm kind of curious about the Tradies Ute, which comes with, I believe, Sparky and Bluey. That might be something worth picking up in future to look at. But I think that's going to be it for this video. You guys can let me know your thoughts on this set in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you'd like me to look at some other Bluey sets. Up the back here, you've probably seen I've got a few sitting here at the moment. But yeah, just let me know if you want to see more of this. But that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.